They said it passed us safely. They said it was gone. But now, fresh calculations from Harvard suggest 3I Atlas may not have left us behind at all. Its true course remains shrouded in uncertainty and close enough that NASA is watching its every move. If the numbers are right, the object could be drifting back onto a path that brushes dangerously near Earth, or worse. Academia has always been a place where careers get made and destroyed based on what you're willing to say out loud. Most professors learn early to stick with safe ideas that won't upset their colleagues or threaten their funding. But Avi Loeb just threw that playbook out the window in the most spectacular way possible. We're not talking about some fringe researcher making wild claims from his basement. Loeb has published hundreds of peer-reviewed papers, served as department chair at Harvard, and advised NASA on space missions. When someone with these credentials starts questioning whether we're alone in the universe, it sends shockwaves through academic circles that are still reverberating today. The object causing all this controversy is called 3I Atlas, and it's about the size of Manhattan Island. It will make its closest approach to Earth on December 17th, traveling at roughly 41 miles per second. But here's what's got everyone's attention. This thing doesn't behave like any natural object we've ever seen before. The scientific community has developed what can only be described as an allergic reaction to anyone suggesting that weird objects in space might not have natural explanations. But Loeb keeps pushing forward, armed with data that gets more puzzling every day, and a willingness to consider possibilities that make other scientists break out in cold sweats. What makes this situation even more explosive is the timing. We're living through an unprecedented period of government transparency about unidentified phenomena. Intelligence agencies that spent decades denying the existence of anything unusual are now releasing reports acknowledging encounters with objects they can't explain. The convergence of official acknowledgement and the arrival of 3I Atlas creates a perfect storm that's forcing everyone to confront questions they've been avoiding for decades. The mathematical problems with 3I Atlas start with its absolutely ridiculous size. At roughly 20 kilometers across, this object dwarfs every other interstellar visitor we've detected. The previous objects we found, like 1I Oumuamua and 2I Borisov, were hundreds of times smaller. It's like collecting pebbles on a beach for years and then suddenly stumbling across a boulder the size of a